Hello everyone, my name is Steve Sunday, and I run the track and field summer camp for the city of Bullhead City. And this year, guys, big time exciting because we're going to be at an actual track. The date and time is May 27th, 28th, and 29th. Don't worry about the heat. We're starting at 8:30 in the morning, going until 12:30. We'll have pop-ups at each venue. We'll have water, ice, you name it, everything all around for everybody. We're going to be at Mojave High School. The track is great. We'll be able to do all the running events, all the field events, all the throwing events, you name it, kids will be able to do it right here. They get to do each field event. They'll do all the running events, all the jumping, all the throwing, all of those. So then we kind of evaluate where they should be. And then every day we'll break down those kids and they'll go to those stations to get more, more refined instructions on what to do. We'll learn how to run, starting blocks, high jumping, long jumping, shot put, discus, mini javelin, all that we'll be able to do now that we're here at the high school track. I help coach the Mojave High School Thunderbirds, so we'll have kids from the track team here helping coach. And then I also coach the Mojave Roadrunners, which is our USA Track and Field Club, and I'll have some of those kids. So the experience that the kids are going to get here is going to be top notch. This is our third year of doing a summer camp. From that first summer camp that we had, we were able to start the Mojave Roadrunners because I had a bunch of interest. And I've got about 25 active kids on the club team, and I just counted, and 7 of them started out at the summer camp. I've got 2 girls right now that started at the track camp, and to this day they're both on the Mojave Roadrunners and they're still friends, yet they go to different schools. So you develop some good friendships. Sign up, come on out, you'll have a great time, kids, I guarantee it.
Doesn't that sound like an awesome time? If you're interested in anything that you heard at today's video or any of our other amazing camps, please visit us at bullheadcity.com/recdesk to register. If you have any questions about this year's summer camp program, contact me, Claire Adams, Senior Recreation Supervisor and Summer Camp Manager. You can reach me by phone at 928-763-0158, email at cadams@bullheadcityaz.gov, or come visit us at our Optimum Community Center at 2380 Optimum Way. Don't let summer break pass you by. Take advantage of our wonderful program and enter your summer camp era today.